Hi, computer science students. So many people want to add a background image to their Canvas, and I repeat it often during class individually. So I thought it would be helpful to create a quick video of how you can do that. So I have my Canvas here, and I have the file here that I want to make the background image. Now, two things need to happen, and I'm going to do them in this order. In the PDE file, wherever I reference the background, this is the RGB red, green, blue value of the background. I need to add an optional fourth parameter, which is the transparency, how transparent this background is. And this can be a number between 0 and 255. 0 makes it completely transparent. So when I do 0, you'll see now it looks like there's no background. If I were to do something like 150, it would be a little bit transparent. It's hard to see because there's not an image in the background. So because I'm going to add Well, let me keep it at 150 and you'll see what this looks like. So 150 means it's kind of transparent, but not really, but not fully transparent. Now, what I need to do is add a background image to just this canvas. And in the HTML file, this canvas has an ID of my canvas. So in the CSS, I can use hashtag my canvas. It's already got a border. Let me add a background image. URL, put quotes, and then start spelling my image, and it comes up. Great. So now when I run it, we should be able to kind of see the background image. Oh, and I kind of like it semi-transparent. Let's see what it looks like if I get rid of the background completely. There it is. So the dimensions are such that it doesn't cover the whole canvas, and that's fine. The background image is coming through. Maybe I'd prefer to pick a different background image. I can also highlight this, control question mark, to comment out the border. Yeah, I like that kind of better. So those are the parts to adding a background image. To go through that again, in the PDE file, wherever you write the background, you need to add an optional fourth parameter. Most likely your fourth parameter will be 0, fully transparent, so you can see the image. And then in your style sheet, you need to add a declaration inside the CSS rule that references the canvas, which has an ID in most cases of my canvas if you're using the default code that I set up. And this is where you pull in the background dash image and uh, give a link to the picture or say the name of the picture if it's in your file.